Hello, class. Today we are going to read a new story. This is the story of The Big Hit. It's a story about baseball. The Big Hit. Are you ready? First, we are going to see if we can remember or learn some of these new words. This here is a person. This person is playing baseball. Do you see the bat? With the bat, this person is going to hit the ball. This object looks like a glove, but to play baseball, this is called a mitt. We will write them later. This is a tin can. This is a can made of a material called tin. And this person here is the Tin Man. In El Mago de Oz, in The Wizard of Oz, we have this character. These three squares have got different sizes. The red one is it big or small? What do you think? Yes, it is big. And this person here is saying stop, stop or give up. Okay, now we are going to write and read the words. Now, if you're ready, we are going to read the words. Let's see. Eat, hit. Eat, mitt. Tin. Big. Big. This one is a bit more difficult to read, but we can give it a try. Give up. Up. Give up. And this is at tin, man. Tin man. I think now we are ready for the story. Let's go. The Big Hit. The Tin Man has a bat. This is the Tin Man, and this is the bat. Jill has a mitt. This is Jill, and this is her mitt. Zach has a big ball. You see, the ball Zach is holding is very big. Will he hit the ball? He's thinking, will he hit the ball? The ball hits the mitt. You see, he missed it. The ball hits the mitt. So he didn't hit the ball with the bat. The ball hits the mitt. The Tin Man will not give up. He's going to keep playing. He's not going to stop. He's going to repeat. The Tin Man will not give up. The Tin Man hits the ball. You see, in the end, he managed to hit the ball. The end.